All right, this video, we are going to talk more about our discussion question number 12 here in week 13 of class. We are looking at a case study and really looking at intersectionality of identities. So you could even look back to our first few chapters in the textbook, our first few weeks of the semester when we were looking at identities and talking about identities and how we all have these kind of singular identities that make us up. They intersect and make up who we are as a whole. So that's what we're considering when we are looking at intersectionality this week. So group C, you are going to be guiding our discussion. You are going to do the initial post and the response post this week. All other students, you're only responsible for those response posts. So let's check this out. So everyone, you are going to want to read the case study about Jenny that's posted in this week's Moodle book. So question number 1, from a cultural lens, why is it so difficult for Jenny to tell her parents about the denial of tenure? So as you're reading through that case study and you're looking at all of those intersecting identities of Jenny, why is it so hard for her to tell her parents about this? Number 2, identify Jenny's various identities. So list them out. What are they? She has a lot of them. And number 3, what is the influence of culture on Jenny's silence about her identities, sexuality, professional, and personal lives? So I want you to discuss the influence on culture in all 4 of those areas. So note, Jenny has multiple identities that impact her. Review course content related to each of these identities to help you craft a thorough and complete answer. Incorporate and cite course content into your responses. So, Jenny is female. Jenny is from she's racially diverse. She, is potential, what is her sexuality? What is her gender? So look at all of those areas of diversity and talk about how culture influences all of those identities. So then in your response posts, comment on at least 2 of Group C's original posts, adding to their knowledge base of this topic by including additional information from the readings and important information that the original post may have overlooked. Jenny is complicated. There are many ways in which her intersecting identities are impactful. So as you are reading the original post, what do you see that is missing or not obvious or maybe not discussed enough in the post? As you're answering these questions, know that this isn't meant to be a critique. This is meant to say, hey, these are complicated discussions. They're robust concepts. Don't forget to also consider some of these ideas as well. So we're not trying to poke holes in what our classmates have written. We're looking to help them identify some of those areas that they may have overlooked. Because guess what? Jenny is a whole complex person, and we're probably going to overlook some things. So we're going to help that out. So due dates, please note that due dates changed a bit due to the holidays. So Group C, your primary posts are due by Wednesday, November 23rd, but response posts, because of the holidays, are not due until Monday, November 28th. If you need a refresher on confidentiality or the grading criteria, check out these links. I'm really looking forward to your discussions here. So be sure to provide a really good overview of Jenny, incorporate lots of course materials, various chapters from your text or content from each of the chapters or content identifying each of Jenny's identities. So, yep, thanks everybody for watching this video. As always, head on over to that homepage, post questions if you've got them, and I'm really looking forward to seeing what you come up with. Thanks, everyone.